How old is your water heater? How often do you check it? Did you know the average lifespan of a conventional water heater is only 10 years? Is your water heater operating properly, or is it about to spring a leak right through your ceiling? It's time to get it checked. Call Steve at HoustonWaterHeaters.com at 832-886-4275. HoustonWaterHeaters.com installs conventional, tankless, and solar water heaters, and when you call before noon, you'll have your new water heater installed that same day. HoustonWaterHeaters.com's super low prices are good any day, even nights, weekends, and holidays. When you purchase a water heater from HoustonWaterHeaters.com, you'll receive a free flood stop device to protect your home from an overflowing water heater. That's a $200 value, free. Mention KSCV and Steve will give you an additional discount. Call HoustonWaterHeaters.com at 832-886-4275 or go to HoustonWaterHeaters.com. Please call 832-886-4275. You're going to love your new water heater from HoustonWaterHeaters.com.